All right, let's jump right into this explainer. You and I are constantly bombarded with these wild online claims about artificial intelligence just magically generating millions of dollars in passive income through automated dropshipping. It sounds like a total pipe dream, right? Well, today we're cutting straight through all that hype with a real, unfiltered 7-day case study. We're going to look at exactly what happens when you rely purely on AI to build an online business from total scratch, pulling all of our insights from a rigorous, raw experiment conducted over just 1 week. So to really put this to the test, we're laying down 3 incredibly strict rules that are going to anchor our entire analysis today. Step 1, AI has to make every single business decision. From the niche to the products, the AI is the boss. Step 2, the budget is strictly capped at $250, meaning all the software tools need to be free or basically free, so we can save that cash for advertising. And step 3, absolute transparency. We are looking at the raw, step-by-step results no matter what happens.
Here's the roadmap for this explainer. First, the challenge. Next, niche and store creation. Then, sourcing and branding. After that, marketing with AI. And finally, the raw financial results.
Okay, section 1, the AI Dropshipping Challenge. We have absolutely all seen hype exactly like this quote floating around our feeds, but today we're impartially reporting on a very specific goal. Can a fully automated, AI-driven business genuinely generate $1,000 in profit in just a single week? That is a massively ambitious target, and honestly, it gives us a fantastic benchmark to measure what these modern AI tools can really do. Moving right along to section 2, niche and store creation. Okay, so before you just unleash the AI, you actually need raw consumer data. Enter the dummy scroll method. This basically involves taking a brand new, fresh Instagram account and just engaging with every single dropshipping ad that pops up. It is a brilliant, totally free way to compile a list of products that real people are actively spending money on right now. Then, instead of just relying on human intuition or guessing, that massive list of raw data was fed straight into ChatGPT. The prompts simply asked the AI to analyze the trending products and pick the very best niche. The AI was definitive: pets. And just like that, human guesswork was entirely removed from what is usually the most paralyzing first step of starting a business. Now that the niche is locked in, we actually need a website. Just a few years ago, this would have cost you thousands of dollars and required days of trial and error. Instead, an AI tool literally called Build Your Store was used. By just inputting a name and selecting the pet niche, the AI whipped up a clean, professional Shopify storefront. It even automatically selected banners featuring both dogs and cats to maximize the potential market, entirely bypassing all those usual technical headaches. Which brings us to section 3, sourcing products and branding. This part is absolutely wild and shows just how hands-off the backend can be. An AI platform called AutoDS was plugged directly into the store. This tool actively scans for trending products. Think cat trees or dog drinking bowls, and automatically populates the storefront. But it goes way further than that. It sets the pricing to guarantee a profit margin and, crucially, handles all the fulfillment. Customer orders, AutoDS ships it straight to them. Now, if you've ever looked into dropshipping, you know the notorious problem. Product descriptions from overseas suppliers are usually absolute garbage. One draft literally had New Year 2026 right in the title of a pet toy. But rather than manually fixing dozens of listings, the built-in AI bulk edit feature instantly stripped out the nonsense and rewrote highly professional, optimized titles and descriptions for the entire catalog. Literally took seconds. Of course, a store needs a real brand to build any sort of trust. ChatGPT was tasked with brainstorming names, eventually landing on Thriving Paws. Then, that exact prompt was fed into an AI image generator called Nano Banana, which instantly spat out a high-quality logo that perfectly matched the store's clean aesthetic. In just a handful of clicks, the entire brand identity was totally complete. But hold on, here is a massive reality check that you absolutely must take away from this explainer. The AI can build the site, sure, but it cannot touch the physical product. Physical samples were ordered to test quality, and good thing they were. The AI's pick for an interactive toy ball felt incredibly cheap, and the motor was chaotic. Definitely not something you want your brand attached to. The dog paw cleaner, though, high-quality silicone, super quiet motor, this manual quality control proved the paw cleaner was the clear, undeniable hero product to focus the marketing on. All right, section 4, marketing with AI avatars. To get actual eyeballs on this new store, the core strategy relied heavily on user-generated content, or UGC. You know the ones, those authentic-looking, slightly amateur videos on your feed that feel like a real customer demonstrating a product. Normally, securing UGC requires shipping products out to influencers, paying hefty fees, and waiting weeks for them to film it. To bypass all of that waiting and spending, an AI tool called Create UGC was used. By just pasting the product link, the tool generated video ads featuring hyper-realistic AI avatars holding the product and talking right to the camera. But quick aside here, it wasn't exactly flawless. The AI totally misunderstood a dog collar product, focusing on water resistance instead of the actual AirTag holder. So a human actually had to jump in, fix the AI script, and regenerate it. The tool generated video ads featuring hyper-realistic AI avatars holding the product and talking right to the camera. But quick aside here, it wasn't exactly flawless. The AI totally misunderstood a dog collar product, focusing on water resistance instead of the actual AirTag holder. So a human actually had to jump in, fix the AI script, and regenerate it. Once tweaked, these were deployed as $20 a day meta ads. And that leads us to the grand finale, Section 5, the raw financial results. So here is the ultimate payoff question. We've seen the automation, we've seen the quick branding, the avatar ads, but after a week, a $250 budget, and letting AI drive the bus, did this fully automated experiment actually convince real people on the internet to part with their hard-earned cash? The answer is a resounding yes. The store successfully sold 17 units of that hero product we identified, the dog paw cleaner. It also randomly sold one magic pet broom to a customer who came for the cleaner but kept on shopping. The AirTag collar, on the other hand, sold 0 units, so those ads were completely shut off. Let's break down those exact numbers. The store generated $424.10 in total gross revenue. Out of that, you have to subtract $169.85 that went strictly to AutoDS to cover the actual cost of the physical products and the shipping. Finally, factoring in the meta advertising spend and a small Shopify fee, another $151 was deducted. So, drumroll please, this brings us to the final net profit at the end of the 7 days, $81.56. Now, because the initial ambitious goal was $1,000, by that metric alone, the challenge was technically a failure. But honestly, we really shouldn't look at this as a failure at all. This case study perfectly proves that AI is not some magic, entirely hands-off money printer. But man, it is an unbelievably fast launchpad. It accomplished 90% of the grueling technical heavy lifting, the web design, copywriting, product sourcing, and video generation, almost for free. The vital takeaways here? Physical quality control remains absolutely non-negotiable to protect your brand. And human optimization is that missing variable you need to turn a minor profit into a major success. I'm going to leave you with this provocative thought to chew on. If AI can spin up a fully functioning, revenue-generating storefront in just 7 days with practically zero human input, what could you actually build by combining these powerful AI tools with a dedicated, strategic human touch over the course of a whole month? The foundation is free and immediate. The optimization is entirely up to you. Thank you for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.